Hey everyone! Welcome back to Channel Name, your go-to spot for fascinating facts and mind-blowing discoveries. Today we're diving into the cosmos to uncover some unbelievable facts about space that you probably didn't know. Get ready to have your mind blown, because we're about to embark on a journey to explore some of the most unbelievable facts about the universe. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's blast off. Alright, space cadets, buckle up for our first cosmic revelation. Imagine a planet where a day is actually longer than a year. Sounds crazy, right? Well, that's Venus for you. Venus rotates on its axis incredibly slowly, taking 243 Earth days for one rotation. But it only takes Venus 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. That's right, a year on Venus is shorter than a day. This retrograde rotation is a real head-scratcher for astronomers, making Venus such a fascinating and enigmatic planet. Hey, ever feel like your life is expanding? Well, get this, the entire universe can relate. Space itself is stretching, growing, like a cosmic balloon. We're not just talking about galaxies drifting apart, this is the fabric of reality itself, getting bigger. It's like laying a grid on a trampoline, then pulling the edges further out. This expansion isn't an explosion from a single point, every point in space is equally getting more spacious. Hard to wrap your head around, I know. But here's the kicker. This expansion is speeding up. It's like whatever's inflating our cosmic balloon is really giving it some lung power now. What's causing it? Dark energy, my friends. But that's a story for another time. Imagine you're an astronaut, floating outside your spacecraft doing some repairs. The vastness of space surrounds you, and every move you make is crucial. You've got two pieces of metal, same material, you need to join. It's a delicate task, requiring precision and care. On Earth, you'd weld them, right? You'd use heat and tools to fuse them together. But in space, something much weirder happens, something almost magical. You bring those metal pieces together, and they fuse. Instantly, permanently, like they were always meant to be one. No heat, no tools, just a touch. This is cold welding, and it's one of the strange side effects of the final frontier. It's a phenomenon that defies our everyday experiences on Earth. On Earth, our atmosphere creates a thin oxide layer on metals, preventing them from truly making contact. This layer acts as a barrier, keeping the metals separate. But in space, no such barrier exists. Atoms on the surface of those metal pieces are desperate to bond. They seek out each other, yearning to connect. So when they touch, bam! Molecular marriage made in the void. It's a union that happens in an instant, a bond that can't be easily broken. This might sound like a handy feature, but it also poses problems for spacecraft design. Engineers have to think about this when creating components. Moving parts need special coatings, otherwise they might cold weld themselves shut. This could lead to malfunctions, making space missions even more challenging. So, next time you think about space, remember the tiny details that make it so unique. Cold welding is just one of the many fascinating challenges astronauts face. It's a reminder of how different and extraordinary the environment of space truly is, and how much we still have to learn about it. Here on Earth, we're surrounded by sound. The hustle and bustle of city streets, the chatter in crowded markets, and the laughter in busy parks create a symphony of noise that we often take for granted. But in the vast expanse of space, there's one thing you'll never hear: absolute silence. The cosmos, with its infinite beauty and mystery, is eerily quiet. Sound waves need a medium to travel through, like air or water. They are essentially vibrations that move through matter, creating the sounds we hear every day. These vibrations can travel through solids, liquids, and gases, but they need something to move through. But space is a near-perfect vacuum. It's an environment almost entirely devoid of matter. There aren't enough particles out there for sound waves to bounce off of. Without a medium, sound simply cannot travel. So, if a star explodes in space, does it make a sound? Sadly, no. Despite the immense energy released, the explosion is silent. Those spectacular supernovae we observe are silent giants, their fiery demise unseen by any ears, only witnessed by our telescopes. Their fiery demise unseen by any ears, only witnessed by our telescopes. These powerful telescopes capture the light and energy of these distant events, allowing us to study them from afar. This eerie silence is both beautiful and unsettling. It reminds us of the vast emptiness that surrounds us, a stark contrast to the noisy world we live in. It reminds us of the vast emptiness that surrounds us. The silence of space is a profound reminder of our place in the universe. The fundamental difference between our terrestrial experience and the alien environment of space is profound. While Earth is alive with sound, space remains a silent, mysterious frontier. We've all been to the beach, right? Felt the sand between our toes, built sandcastles, maybe even gotten a little too much sun, and we've all looked up at the night sky and marveled at the sheer number of stars. But have you ever stopped to consider which one has more? Sand on all the beaches on Earth or stars in the universe? There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth, combined. Every single grain of sand from the Sahara Desert to the beaches of Bali wouldn't even come close to representing the number of stars out there. And that's just the observable universe. Who knows what wonders lie beyond our cosmic horizon? Back in 1969, humanity achieved a monumental feat, setting foot on the moon. Neil Armstrong's iconic words, "One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," marked a pivotal moment in our exploration of space. Those footprints left on the lunar surface will be there for millions of years to come. Unlike Earth, the moon has no atmosphere to erode the surface or wash away those historic marks. So, in a way, those footprints are a testament to human ingenuity, a lasting legacy of our ventures beyond Earth. We've all heard of Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on Earth, right? But what if I told you that it pales in comparison to the largest volcano in our solar system? And no, it's not on Earth, it's on our red neighbor, Mars. Meet Olympus Mons, a shield volcano so massive it dwarfs anything we have here on Earth. This behemoth stretches over 370 miles in diameter, about the size of Arizona. And its peak, a towering 16 miles high, 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Olympus Mons has remained stationary over its hotspot for billions of years, allowing it to grow to its gargantuan size. It's a testament to the incredible geological forces at play in our solar system. Host on camera, holding a teaspoon. Now let's talk about density. We all know that some things are denser than others, but in the realm of space, density gets taken to a whole new level. And that's where neutron stars come in. Neutron stars are the remnants of massive stars that have gone supernova. They're incredibly dense. A single teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh billions of tons. That's like trying to fit the entire human population into a teaspoon. When a massive star collapses, the protons and electrons in its atoms form neutrons, packed together incredibly tightly. It's mind-blowing to think that something so small can be so heavy. It's just one example of the incredible extremes we find in the universe. Diamonds are a girl's best friend, or so they say. These precious gems have fascinated humans for centuries, symbolizing wealth, beauty, and even love. But what if I told you there's a place in the universe where diamonds are not just rare treasures, but a fundamental part of the landscape? Yes, you heard that right. There's a planet out there that's practically made of the stuff. This isn't just science fiction. It's a real celestial body that has captured the imagination of astronomers and dreamers alike. Introducing 55 Cancri E, a super-Earth exoplanet that's twice the size of our planet and about 8 times more massive. This colossal world is a fascinating subject of study, not just because of its size, but because of its unique composition. 55 Cancri E orbits a star called 55 Cancri, about 40 light-years away from us in the constellation Cancer. This star system is relatively close in cosmic terms, making it an intriguing target for future exploration. Unlike our relatively sedate orbit around the Sun, 55 Cancri E whips around its star in a blistering 18 hours. This rapid orbit means the planet experiences extreme conditions, with one side always facing the star and the other in perpetual darkness. Surface temperatures on 55 Cancri E can reach a scorching 4,900 degrees Fahrenheit. This intense heat is enough to melt most materials and creates a hellish environment on the planet's surface. Scientists believe that 55 Cancri E is a carbon planet, and under those extreme conditions, the carbon atoms could be bonding together to form diamonds. Imagine the entire surface of a planet glittering with these precious stones. Imagine a planet where diamonds are as common as rocks are on Earth. This dazzling world challenges our understanding of planetary formation and composition. It's enough to make any treasure hunter drool. The idea of a planet made of diamonds is not just a fantasy, but a testament to the incredible diversity and wonder of our universe. We've talked about a lot of mind-blowing things today, from planets with diamond rain to stars denser than you can imagine. But let's end with a bang, shall we? And by bang, I mean the Big Bang. The observable universe is estimated to be about 93 billion light-years in diameter. That means it would take light, the fastest thing in the universe, 93 billion years to travel from one end to the other. Our entire galaxy, the Milky Way, is just a tiny speck compared to the vastness of the observable universe. And as it expands, who knows what new wonders are being revealed, waiting to be discovered by future generations of explorers and stargazers. So, those were just a few unbelievable facts about space. The universe is full of surprises. The more we learn about it, the more we realize how much we don't know. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the wonders of our universe, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars.
Tap the screen for more amazing facts about the universe and its wonders, and don't forget to check out our latest content, including our video on the mysteries of black holes and their fascinating phenomena.